Welcome back to another video. This is my vegan, gluten-free, Mediterranean-style braised chicken. You are going to enjoy this recipe. Let's jump in. So I have here some tomatoes, and they are the center of this recipe. So I have plenty of fresh chopped tomatoes. Here I have some spinach, and I'm just going to get a rough chop / julienne. And into the pan with a bit of olive oil, not extra virgin, but the blended olive oil, I add in my gluten-free mock chicken thighs. These are vegan, of course. And so I'm just going to pan sear these until they become nice and brown on each side. Into my baking dish, I transfer the mock chicken thighs. And I'm just going to return to that same hot pan, and I'm going to add in my tomatoes. To this, I have some fresh chopped garlic as well. And I'm just going to cook this down until the tomatoes start to break down. I add in 2 vegan chicken bouillons. Herbs de Provence. And to this, I'm just going to add a bit of water. Red pepper flakes. And this is ready to go. And for the full recipe, it will be linked down in the description box below. And so this is basically my cooking liquid. I'm taking this and I'm pouring it over my mock chicken thighs. Do not worry about how thin and watery and loose the liquid is. It is going to thicken right up as the mock chicken thighs are cooking in the oven. And there you have it. Because I want to maintain that beautiful green of the spinach, we just add that last minute, and the residual heat will cook the spinach. I have some sliced black olives here, and I'm just going to put these over top, and this is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures. And check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time.